Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be installing a kill switch on my mini bike, so let's get started. I'm going to be installing a kill switch on the mini bike today. These are the tools I'm going to be using for the install. Here's the kill switch. Alright, so let's go. Alright, here's the kill switch. First of all, I'm going to unscrew these two bolts, nuts, screws, whatever, and place it on the handlebar for a little mock-up. So let me get to that. Here's what it looks like mocked up. Let me install it on the bike. And for my ground, I will be using this bolt right here. And here's my kill switch wire right here. Maybe a little dark, sorry about that, but a little. Alright, so let me do that. Alright, so for my ground bolt, I'm going to be using this bolt right here. Got it plugged in over here on this side. And let me ground it up. Right there. So let me do that. Alright, got it installed. My ground's connected. The wire's connected as well. So let me just zip tie it and tighten the screws up there, and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, I'm gonna use my little new kill switch. Let me turn this bad boy on. Shoot. Alright. Oh, it's on. Works perfectly.